Whoa.
I filed my eligible obligation.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about eligible obligation on the USCA.
Oh, you talking all that kind of stuff. I'm striking all that. If I hear it again, I'm not going to let you represent yourself. I promise you.
Oh,
that's enough. I don't want to hear another word.
Okay, I'd like to also.
Another one? I don't want to hear another word. No, put him out.
Put your hands on me like that.
Hush. Get him out of the courtroom. I don't want to hear another word. I just heard a.
All right, guys, today we have a sovereign citizen staring down 30 freaking years, yes, 30 years, and instead of getting a lawyer like a normal person, this dude actually thought, you know what, I got this, and decided to represent himself. At this point, we're either dealing with some next-level delusion or a guy who just does not care if he gets locked up and wanted to roll the dice for fun. Spoiler alert, it does not go well for this guy. The judge completely shuts him down, and honestly, it's some of the most entertaining courtroom chaos you'll ever see here. But seriously though, why would anybody in their right mind pull the sovereign citizen card when they're facing decades behind bars? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let's go ahead and dive in here.
Here before the court day for your arraignment. And let's see. You're not. Have you hired an attorney?
No, sir.
Do you plan on hiring one?
No, sir.
Are you going to represent yourself, or do you wish to have a public defender to represent you?
No, sir. I'm going to represent myself.
All right. You're before the court day for your arraignment. You've been charged by way of an information with possession of a cocaine, possession of a controlled substance, count 1 and 2. Those are both third-degree felonies, punishable to 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $5,000 fine. You have a count 3, which is fleeing or attempting to elude high-speed reckless. I believe that should be a second-degree felony, punishable to 15 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $10,000 fine. Count 4 is driving while licensed, cancel, suspend, or revoke third or subsequent offense. That's a third-degree felony, punishable to 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $5,000 fine. And count 5, possession of marijuana less than 20 grams, which is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable to 1 year in the county jail and a $1,000 fine. So you're looking at a total of about 30 years in the Florida Department of Corrections if you're convicted of everything and you get the maximum sentence. And you're still wishing to represent yourself?
How are you going to look the judge in the eyes and say, yes, sir, after he just told you you're staring down 30 years? Like, what I seriously don't get these sovereign citizens. Sometimes, I mean, I kind of understand playing the sovereign citizen card for a speeding ticket, like it's still dumb, but like whatever, like it doesn't really mean much. But this guy, he's looking at 30 years at that point. You just got to drop the act and get your head out of your. But before it's too late, the court does not care about your made-up laws and leave. Legally speaking, sovereign citizen defenses have failed every single time in actual courtrooms. I don't know if this guy knows that, but I'm guessing he doesn't, considering he's looking at 30 years and he's still doing this crazy act he's doing. There's literally case law rejecting this nonsense over and over again, yet here we are watching a dude about to throw his whole life away for the sake of pride. Like, do you guys actually think he's trying to outsmart the judge here, or is he just mentally ill? Because I cannot tell at this point. Like, he's literally looking at 30 years, but let me know what you guys think. Or
right hand to be sworn in.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Baker, state your name.
Lee Baker.
And Mr. Baker, you have asked to represent yourself. Is that correct?
Yes.
How far did you get in school?
9th grade.
Okay. And so you can read and write?
Yes.
Okay. Are you employed?
No, sir.
All right. How do you make a living?
I'm unemployed right now. I was living with someone else.
Sir?
I'm unemployed. I was living with someone else. I just got out of jail about 5 months ago.
Okay. Well, what is your trade?
I have my own business.
All right. What kind of business?
A cleaning business.
Okay. And have you ever represented yourself before?
Yes.
All right. Let's see. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol today, which would affect your ability to make this decision to represent yourself?
No.
Have you ever been diagnosed with a mental illness that would affect your ability to to make this decision?
No.
All right. You understand that attorneys are trained in the rules of evidence, criminal procedure, and the law, and they're there to assist you in preparing pretrial motions, preparing for pretrial hearings, and to participate in discovery, and also preparing for trial.
I comprehend that very well.
All right, and sir, you understand that if you're representing yourself, you'll be held to that same standard.
I comprehend that.
All right, and I cannot assist you in any way. The state attorney would not be able to assist you in any way. Is that correct?
I comprehend.
All right, you still wish to represent yourself?
Yes.
All right, Madam Clerk, if you'll print out the information, and Deputy Dexter, it's okay if the clerk hands the information to Mr. Baker? All right, Madam Clerk, if you'll do that. Mr. Baker, when you receive that information, I'm going to ask that you enter a plea at this time.
I'd like to file 2 motions on the record as well, sir.
I want to do your arraignment first.
All right.
All right, whenever you're ready, you'll let me know and you enter your plea.
I end up pleading not guilty.
Okay. All right, you're filing motions.
Yes, sir. I
You
got
have copies for the state.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I got a declaratory judgment, and I want to furnish this bond to the clerk
You can file it. Go ahead.
for my release from the Bay County Jail today.
Okay.
That's declaratory judgment. That's for the clerk only.
Now you're providing a copy of the state, everything you've given the clerk.
The bond, I shouldn't have to give the bond. The bond goes straight to the clerk.
Anything you file that you want me to consider, you have to provide a copy to the state, sir. As you're representing yourself, you have to know those rules. If you don't, you're going to mess up.
I understand that.
If you're not providing to the state, I'm not going to consider it.
Okay.
And the clerk doesn't make any determinations on that. All the clerk determines is whether you're innocent or not.
I'm not talking about the bond for the declaratory judgment. I'm talking about the bond for the clerk to release me today. I filed my eligible obligation.
What are you talking about?
Sir?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about eligible obligation on the USCA.
Oh, you talking all that kind of stuff. I'm striking all that. And if I hear it again, I'm not going to let you represent yourself. I promise.
He actually just said USCA. That means he's talking about the United States Code annotated, which is just the regular United States Code, but with extra notes and explanations added by legal publishers. But let's just be real, this guy probably has zero clue what it actually means. So citizens like this guy love to nom-drop fancy legal terms like it's a cheat code, thinking if they say the right combination of words, the judge will just go, oh wow, my bad, you're free to go, sir. Spoiler alert, that's not how the law works. And this whole eligible obligation thing, yeah, that's another made-up theory where they think debts, including criminal charges, can be wiped away like unpaid parking tickets. Judges have literally ruled over and over again that this is straight-up nonsense, yet here this guy is acting like he just cracked the legal matrix or something. Do you guys think he actually believes in this stuff, or is he just desperately trying to confuse the judge?
He's already entered a not guilty plea. We'll set this for a pre-trial. We'll set it for a... Don't ask me any questions like that, sir. I'm not answering any questions. If you want to file a motion, file your motion. We'll set it for our December, when's that motion day in December?
December 19th.
December 19th at 9 o'clock. Sir, you may, if you're going to do the sovereign citizen and all that, you may want to consider having the attorney.
I'm a private citizen, sir. I'm not a sovereign citizen. I'm a private citizen.
Listen to me. If you're going to pursue that, you may want to reconsider representing yourself.
No, sir.
But I'm not going to pay attention to any of that, and I'm going to strike all that.
Okay.
So we'll see you December 19th at 9 o'clock.
It's no problem.
That's
Oh,
enough. I don't want to hear another word.
okay. I'd like to also.
I don't want to hear another word. No, put him out.
Put your hands on me like that.
Hush. Get him out of the courtroom. I don't want to hear another word. I just heard another word, Mr. Baker. Hush. Whoa. Mr. Baker, I'm going to appoint the Office of Public Defender to represent you. I'm going to find that you're not competent to represent yourself at this time. I'm going to reverse my decision. The Office of Public Defender is going to represent him. We'll keep it on that December 19th date. I just did. Come on now. Y'all close that door where I can't hear him or he gets in any.
I'm not gonna lie, I think the judge was actually doing this guy a favor by dragging him out of the courtroom and forcing some legal help on him. Like some people might say the judge is too harsh, but come on, what was he even supposed to do here? Sit there and let this guy recite his totally real, definitely not made up legal theories while the entire courtroom collectively lost brain cells? Nah, the judge basically said, all right, buddy, since you refused to act like a normal defendant, let's get you somebody who actually understands real law. Honestly, though, we need more judges like this. Just stop entertaining the nonsense, escort these guys out, and just give them a timeout to re-ink their brilliant plan of trying to outsmart the legal system. Like all these people do is just Google search and go on Reddit to find conspiracy theories that might help them get out. But what if they just did another 5 minutes of research? They would find out that no sovereign citizen has ever want in a court of law. Do you guys think the judge handled this right way, or should he have let this sovereign legal moss term keep embarrassing himself? I mean, I know some people might think the judge was too strict, but if we're being real, this guy is literally facing 30 years. So at that point, you just got to ask yourself, are you trying to win your case or just speedrun your way to a prison sentence? Because if it's the second one, congratulations, this dude is doing a great job. Honestly, though, I do respect the judge for even giving him a chance to sit down and reconsider whether he wants to keep playing pretend lawyer, but something tells me this dude is just going to double down even harder. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this court hearing in the comments, but I'm going to wrap it up here. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want more content like this. But yeah, just let me know in the comments, because a lot of people keep telling me the judges in my videos are too strict, but I can't see it real.